Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, we will be learning how to upload songs on SoundCloud. First of all, on your device, go ahead and launch SoundCloud app. After that, once you are on this home page of SoundCloud, you will see a library option at the bottom of your screen just behind the search icon. Once you tap on library icon, you will see all these options. And at the top right corner of your screen, you will be able to see a settings icon just in front of your profile. So just tap on the settings icon. After that, you will be able to see multiple options. So just below your account option, you will see an upload option. So tap on upload. After that, you have to select a song that you want to upload. Suppose I'm going with this one. After you are done selecting your song, you will be again loaded to this page where you can pick the genre, describe your track, add a caption to your post, and if you want to make your track public, you can simply turn on the toggle or else simply turn off in order to make that private. After you're done with that, simply tap on this save option and your song will be uploaded. You will see an upload option, you will see an arrowhead option at the top of your screen. So once you tap on this, you will be able to see your upload. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.